Hola, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're all doing well. I'm Kirstylo, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to apply this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation without it looking cakey or heavy. So there's no cake face here. Now you can get a beautiful medium to full coverage with this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation as long as you apply it the right way. So in this video I'm going to be showing you my tips on how you can achieve flawless, beautiful looking skin with this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. It's so easy and very quick to do once you know how. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now with the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, it can dry out your skin. So prepping your skin is really important. So skin prep is key here. So we're going to do that together. I've already cleansed and toned my skin, and the moisturiser that I'm going to use is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream Moisturiser. And I love this one. It has a gel cream consistency and it also hydrates your skin. It's got hyaluronic acid in there. So yeah, it's a really lightweight moisturiser and it just makes a really good makeup base. So just make sure you moisturize and hydrate your skin really well before applying the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. And the next step is primer, and the one that I'm going to use today is the NARS Smooth and Protect Primer, and it's really important to use a primer before applying the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, especially if you've got dry or normal skin. Make sure you use a hydrating primer, or if you wanted a bit more of a glow, then use a illuminating primer. And if you've been following my channel, you'd already know that I absolutely love this, and this creates a beautiful smooth base for the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation to go on top of. So that's my skin prep done. I've done the moisturiser and the primer, and trust me, it does make all the difference. So that's the primer that I just used from NARS. So what's the best way to apply the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation? The options are foundation brush, a beauty blender or a makeup sponge, or your fingers. And the best way is, can you guess? It's the beauty blender or a makeup sponge. It just gives a really natural and flawless finish. What I like to do is just wet this under a tap, get it really, really wet, and then use a piece of tissue, wrap it around the piece of tissue, and just squeeze out all the excess water. And then you're left with just a nice damp sponge, and it's quite squidgy. And the secret to applying the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation is to apply it in thin and light layers. You want the layers to build on each other. It's a bit like applying nail polish. With nail polish, you wouldn't be applying just one thick layer. It wouldn't even dry, it just wouldn't even look nice. What you do is apply one thin layer, let it dry before applying the second layer, and let that dry as well. Same applies with this Estee Lauder Double Wear. You apply one thin layer, let that dry before applying the second layer, and that'll give you the most flawless looking finish, and that's what we're going to do. So with this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, before using it, make sure you give it a good old shake. Shake it for about 5 to 10 seconds. And the shade that I am in is 3W1 Tawny, and that's for medium skin with warm yellow undertones. So for really flawless coverage, start applying the foundation on the inner parts of your cheeks, so around your nose area, and just work outwards from there. So this puts more foundation around your cheeks, because usually that's where the most discoloration is. So for me, on my cheeks, that's usually my problem area. I do have redness, pigmentation, acne, scarring, just the full shebang going on. I mean, you can see it all on this side. So you really want to focus on the center of your face and just work up towards your hairline. And doing this technique, you won't get your baby hairs caked in foundation. So on the outer part of your face, there should be less foundation. Because this double wear, it does dry quite quickly. So work section by section. Don't go in and apply the double wear dotted all on your whole face and then blend out. It's just not going to work. You have to do it like what I just did. I did this cheek first, blend it out, then this cheek, blend it out, followed by my forehead. Otherwise, it's just going to dry too quickly and you won't get that flawless finish that you want. Right, so that's the one layer of the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. And what I usually like to do is just let it sit on my skin for about 30 seconds up to a minute, just for it to really soak into my skin before going in with the second layer. So usually on my forehead, one layer is enough with the Double Wear. However, on my cheeks, that's where I do need to go in with a second layer. And remember, layering is key here. So I'm gonna go in with a second layer, doing the same technique, working from the inner part of my face. And that's the great thing about this Estee Lauder Double Wear. It is a buildable coverage foundation. So one layer is medium coverage and the 2 layers is a more fuller coverage. And once you've finished applying the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, make sure that you blend it out towards your neck as well, because that's the last thing that you want is any harsh edges on your chin and jawline. And work towards your neck until it fades into nothing. So you can see from this foundation, it does give me like a natural matte looking finish. But if you wanted a more natural looking glow to your face, you can, by using the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation and mix it with a hydrating hyaluronic acid face serum. And the one that I recommend, and it works really, really well with this foundation, is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Mix it in, just 2 drops, mix it in with the foundation, and that'll give you a beautiful looking glow, and it does not look shiny. So I'm just gonna finish doing my makeup and I'll be back with some more tips. Makeup's done, and just look how flawless my skin's looking. This Estee Lauder Double Wear, it's a beautiful foundation. It's given me a flawless looking skin, this foundation. So I did use a bit of the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder just to set the foundation into place. It's something that I always do because I do have really oily skin. However, if you don't want to use a setting powder, you can always use a hydration spray, especially if you've got normal or dry skin. The one that I recommend is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. This is a hydration spray, so it's designed to refresh and hydrate your skin. Whereas if you've got oily skin, which is like me, then I love to use the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus matte version, and this is actually a makeup setting spray. It's got alcohol in here, so it's designed to set your makeup into place, lock everything in, and make your makeup last all day long. As soon as you spray this on your skin, it instantly mattifies your skin and it reduces the appearance of pores as well. So I have already done a video about both of these sprays, the original Fix Plus, this one, versus the matte version. So I'll leave the link for you down in the description box below. Now with the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, it's probably in my top 3 best foundations. That's how good it is. And it's really hard to find that one foundation that's gonna do everything that you want it to do in a foundation. It's probably the ultimate goal to actually find a foundation like that. And sometimes it's actually better to have a few different types of foundations that you can actually count on depending what your skin needs, whether that's more coverage, more hydration, more mattifying, whatever your skin actually needs. You can always mix foundations together to create that perfect foundation for you and to create a custom finish, and just see what works for you. So I hope you all found this video helpful. Let me know down in the comments below if you've got any questions about this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, or just let me know how you got on, or even say hi. Just write anything in the comments below. I love reading all of you guys' comments, and all the products that I have shown in this video, I will put all the links down in the description box below, so go check it out. So I hope you all enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week, and I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time with a brand new video. Mwah! Bye guys.